Ira Berk motors have faded into history now, but in the late 1970s they were the dominant Queensland dealer for Datsun cars. They made an arrangement with Top Performance Motors to be their sales representatives on the Gold Coast. Sometime later though, they were unsatisfied with Top Performance and they cancelled the arrangement. Top Performance sued, arguing that Ira Berk were using their market dominance in an anti-competitive way. They relied on Section 46 of the Trade Practices Act, which said a corporation that is in a position substantially to control a market for goods or services shall not take advantage of the power in relation to that market that it has by virtue of being in that position to eliminate or substantially to damage a competitor in that market or in another market. Section 46 of the Competition and Consumer Act is longer but has substantially the same effect. To determine the dispute, the court had to start by defining the market. Was the relevant market the market for cars on the Gold Coast? Or was it specifically the market for Datsuns? Because Ira Berk had considerable market power in the market for Datsuns, but many competitors in the broader motor vehicle market. Justice Joske said, "In my opinion, whether there is a market and what that market consists of and what area it covers must be a question of fact in any particular case. In determining this question of fact, it must be borne in mind that market means trade or traffic, especially as regards a particular commodity, and that Section 46 is aimed at preventing the control of a market for goods as provided by that section. In my opinion, the offering for sale of goods under their trade name may constitute trade or traffic in a particular commodity. Motor vehicles differ from each other in many respects, and there are numerous differences between the various brands of motor vehicles which are for sale. Accordingly, I am satisfied that there is a market for the sale of Datsun cars on the Gold Coast." Top Performance won that point, but the court found that Ira Berk had ended the arrangement for proper commercial reasons, not to misuse market power. From this case, we learn that market definition is crucial to many competition matters, and it is to be defined in each case as a question of fact.